Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add an overlay in Canva. To add an overlay in Canva, open the Canva application on your device and open up a recent design of yours or create a new design that you want to add the overlay on. After you select a design, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Elements. Go to the Elements tab at the top of the screen and search for the element you want to add as your overlay. You can select the shape, stickers, videos from the categories displayed on the screen. I'm just gonna select a shape. After you go to the desired category, choose the shape and then you will be able to add it onto your screen. Now you can go ahead and select the shape on the screen by tapping on it. And then go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the color option. Then choose a color for the element that you've added. After selecting the color for your chosen element, make sure to position the overlay. Ensure that the overlay is above the other element. To make sure of that, go to layers at the bottom and then make sure that the overlay element that you've added is brought to the front. Once you do that, go to the bottom menu again and then look for a transparency option. Now drag the little white dot in order to increase or decrease the transparency of the overlay. Once you've positioned and customized the overlay, feel free to adjust the other elements in your design for the best visual outcome. So that is how you easily overlay in Canva in just a couple of steps. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.